My drawer fell entirely out and exploded. Like the front fell off and the side fell off, and this drawer has finally fully broken. I got this desk as a replacement for my really tiny one. It was free. Like the bottom, I don't know how the original bottom got damaged, but it had been replaced with a piece of cardboard that was just sort of hot glued into the grooves and shoved back in here. I looked at it and I was like, oh, you get what you pay for, so I got it anyway. I am going to try and replace it with a piece of wood and document that process and see if it can be any sort of how-to video. Hopefully I will fix my desk in the process. Yeah, so I'm gonna fix it today. My attempt is gonna be to fix it. So those are the two sides. That is 12.5 inches plus the grooves. Okay, so 13 by 18.5 when we're adding 2/4 inches for the two sides with the grooves, because those grooves go deep all the way in all four sides. Just gonna go find the outlet. So I'm gonna do the more attractive side. Unless maybe I should paint this side. I don't know. Let's see if it fits. This wood I cut the replacement bottom out of is like a little bit curved. That's why it's having trouble. We should use wood glue. It's gotta say wood glue instead of hot glue, because if you look at this, it covered up this whole gate. Leaves these giant big globs that completely filled the track and made a big mess, but it doesn't actually hold that well. Like, hot glue is good to like glue something that isn't gonna have any stress on it. Like if you want to glue pom-poms. Oh fuck, I just stabbed myself. Oh, fuck me.
Demonetized.
It's, oh god, I'm bleeding everywhere. Okay, one band-aid in. The glue's gone there. I'm gonna try and put this last shelf on, which I think I need to make that side slightly smaller. I think this side is like slightly off. All right. So I've slid all the parts in, and then you can see how that one like isn't meeting a little bit. It's just a little bit too long. And I think I'm gonna take off with the saw like another tiny little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to sand it a little bit to make it not splintery. Like that's better. Better, but not great. This joint is gonna break. I better figure this out before it breaks. Here's the thing. If I cut too much wood off, I don't have any more wood this size. This is my one shot. Oh, I think it fits. So now I'm going to take it apart piece by piece and put the glue in the grooves, and then I'm going to take some very tiny nails and and add those to the joints as well. All right. I don't mind getting glue on this. Nobody likes the news. Shenanigans. Okay. Haha. That was a project and a half. I'm gonna not touch it too much. I'm gonna put it somewhere to dry. But I didn't glue this piece in. This is like a little shelf that fits in these two grooves. I'm afraid to push in case I break it. Oh gosh. I don't know, I couldn't get it in. Very thing. Do I have to flip that up? Because I had to flip it. I had to Google how to get it out because I couldn't get it out at first.
Yeah, so when these little things, it prevents it from being pulled out all the way. So normally you'd have to like kind of adjust this to get it to go all the way, but it looks like that's going to block it from going in now.
There's got to be a way to get it back in.
Here, like, are these not lined up properly?
Well, I did not remove these metal things at all. Okay, we got it in. It's a little stiff, like it's a little less smooth than this one. But I think we did okay. Now this disc is complete and whole.